Hi everybody, I'm Laura Lawrence with Cinnamon and Silver Jewelry. I wanted to introduce you today to my bed covered with outfits here. I have mix and matched a lot of different jewelry pieces, and the reason that this is laid out in such a crazy fashion um, is I wanted to show you how a lot of my pieces can be used with multiple different outfits. They almost all have different colors and very simple patterns. And the whole idea is that you can use them, you know, in a wide variety of ways. You can, excuse me, I've got something in my eye. You can, dress up an outfit. You can dress down an outfit. You can use it with, coral or green. All different colors of the rainbow are represented on my bed. So let's start. Right here I have one of my favorite sweaters, cable knit coral color, and it has been paired with kind of a navy blue boho skirt. And this necklace really goes very well with it. It has the navy blue beads, and it also has some antique green and gold beads in there. These are Swarovski crystal necklaces, very simple but very sparkly, and they wear quite a bit shorter around the neck, but a extender chain could always be added. This would be great for a party, and you can see that it goes really well with the coral, but it also has the yellow in there that matches my shirt. It has greens and oranges, and of course the black and the clear beads. This is just such a fun bracelet, and it has big hoop earrings to go with it, all made of memory wire, which is really easy to put on and take off. No clasps needed. And this one's also a real fun party bracelet with leather cord and lightweight metal beads. There are daisies and these multicolored tassels. So that one's just a lot of fun, and it makes a nice jingly noise. And like I said, several of these pieces can be used across multiple colors. Here we have the greens in a plaid and this dusty rose. So you have colors of olive and the pale pink, gemstones, crystals. This is mother of pearl, and these are also pearl. A lot of pearl going on in here. This one is another memory wire bracelet. So is this actually. It's just made about 3/4 of the way with memory wire, and then it closes with a toggle clasp and a little bit of chain. These are glass beads. These are actually white cinnabar, not true cinnabar. That can actually be toxic. But it's got this beautiful boho pattern on there.